Alright guys, so I just got this new box. I've been seeing this ad pop up on Instagram ads and all that. You know, people have been running their ads. So it's like, it's a box, right? It comes with like style, like dress socks, whatever. I'm like, I need a new tie. Why not try it out? So I went to go get this. It's a subscription thing, a subscription box that you get monthly. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. But I decided to go check it out because, you know, I need a new tie, and ties are usually like 25 bucks or like 40 bucks, whatever. It was only 8 bucks for the box. I was like, sure, why not? So I got the subscription. Then I canceled it immediately after because, you know, I don't know, probably not gonna use it again. We'll see. But today we're gonna be unboxing our Sprezzabox right here. Let's see. Gotta use my Cutco knife, of course. Wow. So, the card that comes with it. So it comes with the tie, socks, sunglasses, tie clip, shoehorn. Huh. Let's check it out. So the tie you got came black and green. This is this monthly. Notary, New York. Not bad actually. Huh. Let's see. Ooh, a shoehorn. So I can put on my shoes. Ooh. What's this? Yo, they gave you shades. Yeah, I might have to rock these. Yeah, I'm keeping them. Alright, so give me shades. We got shades in the box. Oh, I can't see anything. I need my glasses back. Oh, what is this? Ah, it's a tie clip. And we also got this Brickell men's product face moisturizer. And we got dress socks. So all in all, for $8, why not get it? It's 8 bucks, dude. And you get 5 things that you get, so. Whoop-de-doo. You spent 8 bucks and got a tie, face moisturizers, dress socks, and sunglasses, and a tie clip. That's it. Whatever, who cares? And honestly, it's not bad. Like, look at this tie clip right here. Let me take it out first. A little bit like a brass gold thing right here. Focus. Focus, 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 focus. Come on. Focus. Okay, whatever, stop focusing. We're struggling. Technical difficulties, whatever. Dude, this is a heavy shoehorn, bro. Ow. Yeah. You just got socks, a tie, shoehorn, face moisturizer, sunglasses, and a tie clip. All for 8 bucks. Wow, and that's it. And yeah, you know, if you want to go try it out, you need a new tie, you need new sunglasses, dude, just get the box and cancel your subscription right afterwards. But I think I maybe get it, who knows? We'll see. But thank y'all for tuning in video. Hope you like this little quick unboxing video I posted. You know, just trying to upload more and more often. Go to my social media down below and follow me there. You'll catch up and see what I'm doing daily and weekly and whatnot when I'm streaming or not, uploading gameplay, uploading videos. Yeah, just want to follow the lifestyle, follow my journey to success and weight loss. That's the goal of happiness here. And of course, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you leave a like if you haven't already, and if you haven't already become a subscriber, make sure you click that button and always click that bell so you can get the notifications when I upload the next video, whether it be a vlog, gameplay, tutorial, challenge, whatever, montage, whatever it may be. Just make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned for the next video. And I think I'm gonna be doing giveaways, like dollar donations, gift cards, $100 items. We'll see, you know? So yeah, catch y'all next time.